So next up on our agenda is sleep. How can we grow, recover and feel energized if we don't give our bodies time to sleep? After water, this is the next most important to our survival. We would only survive 11 to 14 days without it, yet most people allow themselves to run up sleep debt on almost a daily basis. The target here is to ideally set standardized bed and waking times that allow for at least 8 hours sleep. If you can't standardize your sleep times, at least aim for the 8 hours. For those that struggle to sleep, try eating some high percentage dark chocolate and some almonds unless you're allergic, or take a magnesium supplement about an hour before bed. Remove any caffeine after 2 p.m. and at least give your body that 8-hour window every night to have nothing else to do other than relax, and hopefully you'll be moving towards better sleep. This may sound easy as I'm effectively asking you all to do nothing, but I reckon this may well prove to be the hardest challenge for most of us. If you do struggle with this one, you won't be alone in that. Lots of us have hectic lives, some of us have young children and long working hours. The lives we live these days do not support sleep all too well, and as a result, we've all developed mindsets that allow us to compromise on it all too easy. If we can all stick to this one for 14 days, we would honestly feel amazing. But just do the best you can on each day. Good luck, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.